for this evening, sir, we will discuss about this. Yeah, this is Cambodia lockdown. Then Phnom Penh, yeah, Cambodia lockdown Phnom Penh as coronavirus continues to spread. Yes, so Phnom Penh is the capital city of Cambodia. This is this is the news from
Capital city
Southeast
or
Asia.
motherland.
Yes, the capital city, yeah, of Cambodia, Phnom Penh. So Phnom Penh lockdown, yeah,
Phnom
as
Penh.
coronavirus, yeah, continues to spread. Okay, we can see this. It's the relapse. Yeah, in this picture. Yeah, this is the police. Yeah, actually, so many people. They okay, we can see this. Police block motorists from passing a checkpoint set up in capital Phnom Penh and neighboring Takmau, bertetangga dengan Takmau Town and Kandal Province. As Cambodia Prime Minister Hun Sen warned that the country was on the brink of death amid worst virus outbreak. Okay, this is the brink of death. Jadi gawat darurat ya. Brink, the meaning is side ya, tepian ya, side tepian, brink the meaning, or edge ya, tepian. But this is the meaning is gawat darurat. The purpose of death amid worst di tengah-tengah worst sangat buruknya virus outbreak ya, in Phnom Penh on April 15, 2021. So about 4 days ago, this news. Yeah, this is the picture. Yeah, the police block motoris, ya, memberhentikan atau memblok ya, motoris, ya, kendaraan bermotor ya, from passing a checkpoint, ya, untuk melewati checkpoint in the capital Phnom Penh yang bertetangga dengan kota Takmau, Takmau Town, kota kecil,
Takmau.
Yes, and Kandal Province, ya, dan provinsi Kandal, Cambodia.
Kandal.
Yes, sir. And this is the Prime Minister. Ya, Cambodia is lead by Prime Minister, dipimpin oleh Prime Minister, Perdana Menteri, ya, Hun Sen. Warned memberikan peringatan, warning, that the country was on the brink of death, ya, amid worst virus outbreak. Bahwa negaranya diambang, ya, brink ya, can say also diambang kematian, ya, di tengah-tengah memburuknya ledakan virus, coronavirus. Okay, so we can see the first paragraph. Mr. Ilan, please read the first paragraph, sir. This is Cambodia. He said it.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Cambodia decided Wednesday to lock down the country's capital Phnom Penh for the first time since the novel coronavirus outbreak began early last year.
Yes. Okay. Do you understand about the purpose, Mr. Ilan, about this paragraph? Yeah, this is.
Pada hari Rabu, Kamboja mengalami lockdown.
Yes, Cambodia decided.
Terutama decided terbagi apa ya?
Decided memutuskan.
Memutuskan.
Yes. Yes, memutuskan.
Yes. Negara Kamboja memutuskan pada hari Rabu untuk lockdown di kota Phnom Penh untuk pertama kalinya sejak virus corona melanda negara tersebut sejak awal tahun lalu.
Yes.
Awal tahun ini, sorry.
Yes, awal tahun lalu. Yes. Ya, Cambodia memutuskan lockdown. Yes, so decided lockdown on Wednesday. So last week, yeah. The country capital Phnom Penh, ya, ibu kota negaranya Phnom Penh, for the first time, ya, untuk pertama kalinya since the novel coronavirus outbreaks, ya, semenjak ledakan virus corona ya, pegan yang telah dimulai early last year, ya, awal tahun lalu. Okay, excellent, Mr. Nilan. Okay, so we move to the second paragraph. I will read this. Yeah. This is the decisions. The decision was made after infection were confirmed in many parts of the capital beginning earlier this week, following the first and largest community COVID-19 outbreak at a German factory, German factory or garments factory, and a market in the city. Okay, so the decision, keputusannya
Decision.
telah dibuat.
Keputusan.
The decision was made, ya. Keputusannya telah dibuat, yes.
Setelah
After infection, setelah infeksi,
konfirmasi.
were confirmed in many parts. Yes, yang terkonfirmasi di banyak tempat, ya, di banyak of the capital, ya, di ibu kota, beginning earlier this week,
Ya.
dimulai awal minggu ini.
Yes.
Following the first and largest community COVID-19 outbreak, ya, yang diikuti atau mengikuti yang pertama dan komunitas, ya, terbesar, ya, COVID-19 di, yes, pabrik garment, ya, di pabrik garment, ya, pabrik garment, ya, and a market, ya, dan di sebuah pasar in the city, ya, di kota, ya, because Cambodia also, yes, the production of garments is the freelance, yeah, the country that has the biggest garment production.
This is garment production in Southeast Asia.
Yes, yeah, the biggest garment production, yes, in Southeast Asia. Yes, yeah, Cambodia. Okay, garment production. Okay. So, okay, Mr. Ilan, please read again these paragraphs. This is Phnom Penh. This is
Phnom Penh and neighboring Tak Mau City will be locked down for 14 days, beginning on Tuesday morning. The government said, editing that any non-essential travel will be restricted.
Yes, and this is probably also, yes, same with Indonesia, probably almost same with Indonesia. This is Phnom Penh and neighboring Tak Mau City, ya, bertetangga with the Tak Mau City will be
dan tetangga.
Yes, will be locked down for 14 days. Yes. Yeah, will be locked down for 14 days.
In
beginning, yeah, this is beginning on Thursday morning.
Thursday.
Yeah, yes, yeah, mulai dari Thursday morning. Yeah, so 4 days ago, yes, on Thursday morning, ya, hari Kamis pagi. Yeah, hari Kamis pagi, Thursday morning. Yes. So the government said, yeah, adding that, ya, menambahkan bahwa any non-essential travel, ya, any non-essential travel, ya, bahwa suatu perjalanan atau travel non-esensial, ya, yang tidak khusus, ya, perjalanan yang tidak khusus will be restricted, ya, akan dilarang, akan dibatasi, restricted, dibatasi, ya, dibatasi.
No, diistirahatkan.
Ya. So, I'm sorry, sir.
Rested? No, rested? No, diistirahatkan. Because the Indonesian rest is istirahat.
No, this is restriction, pembatasan, restriction, pembatasan. Yeah, and then this is restricted. Yeah, restricted. The meaning is dibatasi. Dibatasi, for example, not many people. Yeah, that's dibatasi, restrictions.
Dibatasi.
Yeah. Probably also same. Yes, also same with Indonesia, Mr. Rilang. Yeah, Indonesia maybe for any non-essential travel, it will be restricted also. Yeah, maybe next 2 weeks, yeah, before Lebaran Day, mudik, yeah, or mudik Lebaran, yes, mudik, yeah, will be restricted also probably. Yeah, so they must have the letter of assignation, surat tugas. Something like this. Okay, Mr. Halpin will join the class. So I was say greeting to Mr. Halpin first. Mr. Different language. He has Spanish language. Mr. Halpin.
Mr. Halpin.
Yes. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Mr. Hawkins, good morning, Mr. Hawkins.
Good morning, good night, your country. I think you sent a message. It is first. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Yes. Okay. So, Mr. Hawkins, we were
Hey,
discuss with Mr. Rilang in Jakarta, in the capital of Indonesia, and discuss about this. This is about the lockdown in Cambodia, Mr. Hawkins. This is in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Yeah. Yes, so Cambodia has the lockdown also. Okay. And yep, so actually Mr. Ikhwan also wanted the class. Yeah. Okay,
it is
so
it is
we will be continue.
there is the place. It is Cambodia.
Yes,
Cambodia.
Cambodia. Yes, in Southeast Asia, Mr.
Yes,
Hawkins,
it is
Cambodia.
Indonesia. Indonesia.
No,
Near.
no.
Not in Indonesia, but near to
Near
Indonesia. Yes, Cambodia.
near Indonesia. Okay.
Yes.
Other country.
Other country, yes, other country.
Okay.
Yeah, yes. Near to Philippines, then Thailand, Cambodia.
Malaysia,
Okay, Mr. Ikhwan.
Singapore.
Yes, welcome to the class, Mr.
Hello,
Ikhwan.
sir. I'm sorry.
Yes, nice to see you again in the
I'm sorry,
class.
Pak. I'm like,
Okay, no problem. Yes, so we were discussed about this, Mr. Ikhwan, with Mr. Rilan in Jakarta. This is Cambodia lockdown. So the capital city of
Lockdown.
Cambodia, this is Phnom Penh.
Phnom Penh.
Yes, as coronavirus
Phnom Penh.
continues to spread. Yes,
Right.
Phnom Penh is the capital city of
Cambodia.
Cambodia. Yes, and in this picture, the police blocked motorists from passing checkpoint yang set up in capital Phnom Penh and neighboring Tak Mau Thon yang bertetangga dengan Tak Mau Thon and Kandal Province. Yeah, this is Mr. Ikhwan. And Cambodia Prime Minister Hun Sen warned that the country was on the brink of death, di tepian kematian. Brink, the meaning egiran, or di ambang, we can say di ambang. Yes, amid worst virus outbreak. Yes, amid di tengah-tengah, worst yang paling buruk, virus outbreaks, peledakan virus. Okay, this is in Phnom Penh on April 15, so 4 days ago.
Emit.
Okay, so we continue again. Yeah, this is okay. So we review again Mr. Rilang because new participant joined the class. Okay, this is Cambodia decided on Wednesday last week to lock down the country, capital Phnom Penh, for the first time since the novel coronavirus outbreak began early last year. Yeah, so because the victims always increase, Mr. Ikhwan and also Mr. Hopin. So Cambodia decided to have lockdown on Thursday. And this is on Wednesday. They already made decision, sudah memutuskan to lock down the country, untuk melockdown negaranya, capital Phnom Penh, ibu kota negaranya, Phnom Penh. For the first time, untuk pertama kalinya, Mr. Ikhwan, since the novel coronavirus outbreak began early last year. Okay, Mr. Hawkins, do you understand about this? Is the first paragraph, Mr. Hawkins? Yes, this is Cambodia. So
Lockdown.
What?
yes, made decision by Wednesday last week, to
Sure.
lock down the capital city.
Okay.
Okay, so the second paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan, we will discuss about this also. The second paragraph, the decision was made after infection were confirmed in many parts of the capital, beginning earlier this week, following the first and largest community COVID-19 outbreak at a garment factory and a market in the city. Mr. Iwan, do you understand what the second paragraph this is? You
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so this is the decision, keputusan, was made telah dibuat after infections, berkonfirmasi, telah dikonfirmasi di banyak tempat, di banyak bagian of the capital, di ibu kota, beginning earlier this week. Okay. And also following this, mengikuti the first and largest community COVID-19 outbreak at the garment factory, di perusahaan garments. Yes, outbreak is a peledakan. So the virus outbreak also found in the garment factory, and a market in the city. Because in Phnom Penh, also has the big market. The third paragraph, this is
Okay. Phnom Penh and neighboring Tak Mau city will be locked down for 14 days beginning on Thursday morning. The government said, adding that any non-essential travel will be restricted.
Yes.
Restrict.
Yes. Do you understand, sir, about this paragraph? Okay. Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
capital city,
Phnom
Phnom
Penh.
Penh,
Yeah.
and neighboring Tak Mau city. Yang
Yeah, and
bertetangga,
Tak Mau.
ya, Tak Mau city, will be locked down for 14 days. Ya, beginning on Thursday
2
morning.
weeks.
Dimulai Thursday morning last week, ya, hari Kamis pagi last week. The government said,
Last week. Yeah.
yes, adding that any
Any
non-essential
non-essential
travel will be
travel.
restricted. Yes. Menambahkan
What's
bahwa
the meaning?
suatu
Non-essential travel.
perjalanan tidak khusus,
Beberapa.
suatu perjalanan tidak khusus. Essential, the meaning is khusus. Essential, the meaning is khusus. So non-essential, the meaning is tidak khusus. Will be restricted, akan dibatasi.
Restrict.
Suatu perjalanan tidak khusus akan dibatasi. Restricted is a restriction, Mr. Ikhwan. Bisa pembatasan.
Yeah.
Restricted dan dibatasi. Yes. I think this is same, Mr. Rilan and Mr. Ikhwan, with in Indonesia. And this is same. And the non-essential
Yes,
travel will be restricted also, especially for mudik Lebaran,
Yes.
mudik Idul Fitri, like that. Will be restricted. Okay, Mr. Ilan, will you go to your hometown in Lebaran, Mr. Ilan? Will you go home to your hometown? Sir?
Yes.
In Lebaran Day.
Now I have been
Yeah.
in my hometown now.
Oh, Jakarta is your hometown. Jakarta.
No. Now I live in Kendari, Southeast Sulawesi. No Jakarta.
Oh, not Jakarta.
Last year I go
Yes.
home.
Oh, you went home last year. Oh,
Yes.
where's what city? Your hometown, sir? What city?
Kendari.
Kendari.
Yeah, Kendari.
Kendari is mother
Kendari. Okay.
Capital town of Southeast
Sulawesi.
Sulawesi.
Yes.
Southeast Sulawesi.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so far
Sulawesi.
away. Yeah. Southeast Sulawesi. Okay. But in this year, if you went home, actually, if you want to go home to your hometown, Mr. Rilan, yeah, so you must have the letter of assignation, surat tugas, the letter of assignation.
Nation.
Okay, I will write here. Yeah,
Yes.
I will write here. Yeah, this is the letter of assignation. Letter
Yes.
of assignation. Yes, surat tugas. Yeah, you must have this, Mr. Rilan, if you want to go to your hometown. Yeah, this is okay. So continue again. Yeah, continue again. So Mr. Holvin, also I wish you understand about this, Mr. Holvin. Yeah, because this is the lockdown in Southeast Asia, and we don't know about the lockdown in South America, especially in your country, Mr. Holvin. Okay.
What is the question? Sorry, well, I don't understand good. The last.
Yeah, the last we were talking about the lockdown in in Southeast Asia, in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and that's same with the lockdown in Indonesia. That's almost same with the lockdown or the restrictions in our country, in Indonesia. So.
Yes, there is. It is understand that question.
Yes. Okay, so we continue again. Okay. Yeah, this is actually not so a lot, but okay, so we continue. Mr. Ikhwan, Cambodia's health ministry said Wednesday, it had detected. So past tense you use had, not have, but had. Had detected. Had for the past tense. For example, I had fried rice yesterday. Yeah, because the fried rice was finished. Karena nasi gorengnya udah habis. So you say had. You cannot say have. I have fried rice. So the fried rice still in front of you until now. Masih ada di depan Anda sampai sekarang. For example, I have a car. So you still have car. You still having car. If you don't have a car anymore, jika Anda tidak memiliki mobil lagi. For example, last year, I had a car last year. You cannot say I have car last year. Cannot say like that. But you say had. Okay, so had, this is the meaning is also you have something like that, memiliki sesuatu, but this is for the past tense. It had detected, or this is perfect tense. So had the meaning is telah. Had detected, telah dideteksi 160 78 new cases the previous day. Mr.
Ya,
Iwan, you understand the previous day,
sebelumnya.
Mr. Iwan?
Beberapa hari
Ya,
sebelumnya.
hari sebelumnya.
Hari sebelumnya.
Ya, hari sebelumnya. Yes. Yeah. Of which 149 were found in Phnom Penh alone. Yeah, this is the new cases 149 found in Phnom Penh. Dijumpai di Phnom Penh alone sendiri. Okay, so continue again, Mr. Rilan. Please read this
Okay.
paragraph, Mr. Rilan. While Cambodia.
While Cambodia's number of coronavirus infection had been among the lowest in the world until recently, the country now reports a total of over 40,000
4,800.
per thousand, yeah, 4,800 inspection with 35 deaths.
Yes, 35 deaths. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Mr. Ikhwan, do you understand what this, sir? This is what this
Yeah.
paragraph. Yeah. Okay. So while Cambodia
Yeah,
number of coronavirus, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the number is lowest in
Yeah,
the world
lowest
recently.
until recently, until now.
The
Yeah.
country now reports
A total.
yeah, they got 4,800 with 35 deaths. I think Indonesia more
Yes.
more than
Yeah.
Cambodia. In
Yes, so
Indonesia,
far.
in
Yes.
yeah, in
Yeah.
death,
Okay.
the death of Indonesia is 155.
Yeah. 155,000 in Indonesia, bro. Yeah. 135,000 of the death toll.
No,
korban
no, no, 1
death
million.
of COVID-19.
1 million. 1 million.
Oh, sorry, 1 million.
1 million.
The death.
562 case. The death. Total death.
Okay.
42,000. 42,000.
49.
42,000.
And
Okay, for the
5
deaths.
and
Okay.
443 death.
Recover. Oh, deaths. Okay. Yes. Mr. Ilans and Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, this is in Phnom Penh or in Cambodia is the lowest cases for the victims of COVID-19.
Yeah.
Yeah, over lebih 4,800 something. Yeah. And hasn't reached 5,000. Belum mencapai 5,000. Hasn't reached 5,000 people.
Yeah.
The infection and death only 35. So actually the lowest in the world. All the countries around the world, they have so many death toll.
But it's
Okay, so
it's high prevalence.
yes.
But it high prevalence is but
I'm sorry?
35 deaths is a high prevalence of the mortality.
High of the mortality. I'm sorry, Mr. Iwan. I didn't catch it.
Death.
Okay.
Yeah, the
Okay.
mortality is high.
In
Indonesia, only 2 until 3%.
Oh, in Indonesia.
But
For the mortality.
35, yeah, mortality.
Okay.
But in Cambodia, 35 from 4,800 is high.
Okay. Okay. If this
It's maybe
percentage.
8%. 8%.
Oh, this is.
8%.
Oh, this is. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
this is percentage. Dipresentasikan. Percentage. 35 deaths. It has the big mortality.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 So continue again. Mr. Ikhwan, we still have 2 paragraphs. Can you please read this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan, until the ministry says
Roughly,
from the roughly 1 million.
What's the meaning roughly, sir?
Yes.
Roughly.
Roughly dengan keras.
Roughly 1 million.
Ya, dengan
Roughly.
sangat. Yes.
Roughly 1 million of some 12 million Cambodians eligible for vaccination have received at least 1 dose of either the Sinopharm or the AstraZeneca vaccine produced in India, the ministry said.
Okay. Okay, so we will discuss about this. Roughly 1 million of some 12 million Cambodians. Yeah, so the Cambodian citizens, yeah, only 12 millions eligible, yeah, berhak. Eligible meaning is berhak for vaccination. Yes, have received at least one dose. Ya, telah menerima setidaknya satu dosis of either. Ya. Either the meaning is iya juga. Ya, when
Juga.
yeah, also Mr. Calvin, you will understand what this is. Either and neither. Yeah, either. And then the opposite is neither. Either iya juga and neither tidak juga. Yeah. Either and neither.
Either.
For example,
Either
yeah,
or neither.
yes,
Sorry.
either and
Either or neither or neither. Neither.
Yes, either and neither.
Yes.
Yeah, for
Either
example,
and
yeah,
neither.
yes,
Dua-duanya.
I will go to Jakarta. Yeah, yeah. For example, Mr. Iwan says, I will go home to my hometown next year. For example, then Mr. Ilan say, and I either. Yeah, dan saya juga. Yeah, and I either. Yeah, dan saya juga. Yeah, so you just say, and I either. Yeah, I will go home tomorrow, and I either. If you say no, yeah, so you say, and I neither. Dan saya tidak. I will go home tomorrow, and I neither. Or you say, I neither. You just say, I neither. For example, this is Mr. Ivan say, I will go home tomorrow. Yeah, I will go home tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Then Mr. Ilan say, I either. Yeah, this is Mr. Ilan. Mr. Ilan said this, and yeah, and I either. I either. Saya juga. Yeah, if Mr. Ilan say no, yeah, this is disagree, tidak setuju. Mr. Ilan say neither, yeah, and I neither, or say I neither, just say I neither. Sorry, I neither, yeah, because the meaning is tidak juga. So you just say I neither, yeah, or either do I. Yeah, begitu juga saya. Either do I. Yeah, I will go home tomorrow. I either. Yeah, you can say like that. Juga saya. Either do I. Yeah. Jadi ada dua option. Yeah, you can say I either or either do I. Either do I. Either to you, ya begitu juga kamu. Either do I. This is about either and neither. Yeah. Okay. Either and neither, the meaning is also like that, Mr. Holby. Same with also. Okay, so this is Mr.
Yes, I got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will discuss about this. Yeah, this is the vaccination. Have received at least one dose of either the Sinopharm or Sinovac vaccine from China, yeah, and the AstraZeneca vaccine produced in India. Yeah, the ministry said. Okay. So the last paragraph, Mr. Hopin, please read the last paragraph, sir. This is to date.
Today Cambodia has received more than 2 million doses of this three vaccine and will get 8 million more from Saturday. August.
Yes.
August.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Hopin. Yeah, this is Mr. Iwan. So the vaccination program, yeah, this is to that Cambodia has received, yeah, more than 2 million doses. So already received more than 2 million doses of these three vaccine. Yeah, this is Sinopharm, Sinovac, and also AstraZeneca. Yeah. And we'll get 8 million more, yeah, from Saturday through August. So until August, from Saturday
Through
until August. Yeah. So step by step, yeah, we'll get 8 million doses.
Yeah.
Okay. So from this news, actually, we can conclude this, make the conclusion of this actually, Mr. Iwan and Mr. Ilan and Mr. Hopkins. Mr. Iwan, actually, what is your opinion of this news actually?
Yeah. In Cambodia, even though the vaccination is ongoing now,
Yes.
to the people, but the case of in that country, and maybe the people say it's now the people most of country afraid from the third wave outbreak of the COVID-19 now, and I appreciate for the government, so because they always try to get the vaccine. They have got a vaccine 2 million.
Yes. They already received. Yeah, more than 2 million doses.
More 2 million, and and we'll get 8 million and more than from Saturday through August
Yes.
from
Okay, so-
the government in Cambodia to save their people.
Okay.
We hope after the vaccination, the case we can decrease. They can reduce or decrease the case
Okay.
of
Yeah.
COVID.
Yeah. With the after vaccination, the victims will reduce. Can be reduced. Bisa dikurangi. Can reduce. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Sir. Okay. And Mr. Rilans, what is your conclusion, sir, about this news? Mr. Rilans.
Okay. My conclusion for this Cambodian government decided lockdown for motherland of Cambodian and neighbor city, and now government to receive vaccine
Yes.
more than 2 million doses. Maybe that's all.
Okay, that's all. Yes, and yeah, the conclusion also that Cambodia has the lowest cases in the world, sir. Only 4,800 cases, different with other countries around the world. And the infection, the disease, for 4,800 cases of infection, and with 35 death only, Mr. Rilang and also Mr. Ikhwan. This is in Cambodia. Because the governments also, take action faster. Yeah, this is found only 149 cases. Yeah, so they made decision for the lockdown. Mereka buat keputusan untuk lockdown. Only for these cases. Yeah, this is the small cases, I think. Yeah, but they made the decision for lockdown. Yes, and also the vaccination also, and they contract for the three vaccines: Sinopharm, Sinovac, and also AstraZeneca. Okay, yeah, this is good. Yeah, because the population only 12 million, so different with Indonesia. Okay, and that's the conclusions.
12.
And, yeah, I think this is enough, Mr. Ikhwan, and also Mr. Hopkins. Yeah, Mr. Ilan also. This is enough. And actually, last night we had some vocabularies, Mr. Ikhwan, that was strength and stay. And that's the meaning is kuat dan tabah. Strength and stay. Yeah, kuat dan tabah or tegar. Yes. So
Strength.
yes.
And stay.
Okay, the times remain 1 minute.
Stay